there! Testimonials are the essential part for a business to build trust. So you need to showcase it smartly and make it professional. Happy Addons Testimonial Widget is right here to help you. You can fulfill all your needs just by using the widget right on your WordPress site. But first, be sure to install and activate the plugins below: the free version of the Elementor plugin and the free version of the Happy Addons plugin. Firstly, go to the Elementor editing panel, then add the Testimonial widget to the designing area. You'll get a default view of the widget. Next, add the testimonial and align it to the canvas and add a design. Click on the reviewer, add a name and image, and then click on Style and adjust the testimonial's bottom spacing, padding, text color, background color, typography, and border radius. Then adjust the image's width, height, spacing, border type, width, color, and box shadow. Now click on the reviewer data and change the name text color, bottom spacing, title text color, and typography. Next, tap on the Advanced function and change the border radius, border type, width, and box shadow. Now check all the options one by one and design your testimonial to make it more smart and elegant. Here is the final look. Here's a pro tip. One more thing that you can do with your design is to add preset. This will ease your task and reduce your extra effort by adding pre-made design to your widget. Let's see how it's done. For more information on designing your WordPress site, subscribe to our channel and connect us on our social pages to receive updates on designing your WordPress site using the Happy Addons plugin.